I get why you wouldn't want to stop making money online if you're already doing so. It's undeniable that working from home has its advantages, such as the freedom to stop and start at will, the familiarity of using one's space, and the ability to utilize one's equipment. One of the best things about making money online is that payment is based on results, not the boring, pointless hours you put in. In the realm of producing money online, I recently came across a somewhat undiscovered method of doing it. So I did some research on it and gave it a go. You're going to love hearing this because it's amazing. I've seen few money strategies with as much potential and strength as this one, but it's easily in the top tier. So see this video through the finish to learn the latest, greatest, most top secret tactic. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our channel. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas to help you reach financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below or press the notification bell to be notified anytime we release a new video. With all of that said, let's get started on this new technique. Now let's get back to the video. You should consider yourself incredibly lucky to have found this video. I assure you, you are in for a wonderful treat. In addition to the fact that you may make $700 per day and it's all done online. This strategy also has several other advantages. There is no cost involved in any way. That's correct, you won't need to put up any money or make any kind of payment to make this happen. All you need is your device, and you can use any device. You can use any device you like, from a desktop to a laptop to a tablet to a smartphone, because this strategy will always be effective. More than that, it serves everyone in the world because it is accessible everywhere. It doesn't matter where you're from because everything will function. All of these benefits are available to you straight away, and you don't even need professional or technical experience to apply the method, as it has been made specifically for beginners like yourself who are just starting to earn money. All you have to do to get your hands on this method is watch this video till the very end. You already know not to skip forward or you'll miss crucial information that might make this method work. Let's not waste any time getting to the first site, Brave.com. which will blow your mind with its incredible potential to bring in steady streams of income on the web. You probably use Google Chrome as your default browser, and fortunately Brave is compatible with Chrome. It brags loudly about being 3 times as fast as Chrome, which is a great achievement. What makes Brave so unique, and why is it considered one of the greatest browsers in the world when compared to other popular alternatives like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox? Their primary website has all the information you would need, and it's all presented safely and reliably thanks to many useful and entertaining features they provide. With their help, you won't have to worry about any strange advertisements entering your browser, so you won't have to worry about being followed online. The online privacy mode is so user-friendly that it only takes one click to activate and does everything for you. In addition, this program is quite simple to use and can be used by anyone, guaranteeing a pleasant experience. Given all of Brave's great features, where exactly do we get to cash in? To put it simply, you don't need to sell anything to make money online. Just glancing at the work of your favorite creators online already generates a significant income for you. Simply revisit your account details and you'll see the cash start to grow. Finally, I'd like to mention that you can use Brave on any device, not only on desktop computers. In other words, you can keep up the effort to make more money even when you're on the go because you can access it on your smartphone. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, everything will work as expected. You may get it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and use it on any of your preferred gadgets. But before we proceed, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Returning to the video, the second site I want you to know about this video is UpVoice.com. The value of this platform becomes entirely obvious when you add your voice to the mix, and you can immediately begin producing gift cards just by logging in to your various social media accounts from your home computer. Considering that one of the most fundamental and routine uses of a computer is to check one's social media accounts, this works out perfectly. When you consider how much time you spend online daily, the prospect of getting paid to do it seems incredible. To find out how everything functions, go down below in the section which contains all the details you'll need to proceed with the service. After you've signed up, the first thing you want to do is install the program by downloading and adding the UpVoice browser extension. The second step is to use social media apps that enable you to continue doing what you're already doing. Step 3 is to simply capture your voice while shopping at Asda anonymously, earning you points every day that may be redeemed for gift cards. Do you know that the list of accepted companies on the gift cards they provide is entirely complete? Common examples of popular gift cards are those from Amazon, PayPal, Burger King, Banana Republic, eBay, and many more. Feel free to check around the site further to learn more about this service. There are still many more areas to explore on the internet. Do so at your own time to fill in any information gap. In my case, doing so would just serve to more complicate matters. At which point, we can go to the registration process. Here in the center of the page is a blue button that reads, Sign Up. To create your free account, just follow the link I just provided and arrive at this page. You can continue using your existing Google, Microsoft, or Yahoo account, which makes the sign-up process much quicker. There's nothing left to do but complete the task at hand and rise the ranks to become one of UpVoice's success stories. With our experience with Brave and UpVoice under our belts, we're prepared to move on to the third and final website covered in today's video, QMe.com. This one's the easiest of the bunch, so I saved it for last. You can see for yourself that providing feedback on brands and making purchases can earn you real cash rewards, not simply free stuff or useless points. All you have to do is fill out surveys about various products wherever and whenever you like. After you've accomplished this, your salary will steadily increase day by day. Then, you'll receive your payment using PayPal, which is great because it's a simple method for collecting money online. How then shall we complete this task? It boils down to these 3 steps. You may find offers on the largest brands or let them show you the ones you like. Participate in surveys where companies want to know your opinion and pay you for it, and get cash back on amazing products and enjoy some extra money in your pocket at the end of the month. Put it this way, QMe has received close to 3,000 ratings on Trustpilot, but they are quite proud of their 4.5-star rating. 4.5 stars is not awarded readily. However, if you want to get rich quickly and easily, you should look into all 3 of these methods. So, what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as a primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please click the like button below. If you're interested in learning more about how to earn money online, feel free to watch our other videos. Since I post new videos every day, you should subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified whenever a new one is available. As always, I appreciate your time and I hope to see you in our future videos.